Yahweh Olip, read this book with me. I found it when I went digging on the internet. It was written by one of the first merchants or explorers that came to Mado before anyone else. And this section of this book, only section 3, is going around the Marshallese academic community. But this book actually has 4 sections. It's called The Marshall Islanders, Life, Customs, Mind, and Religion of the South Sea People by P.A. Erdland, MSc. All right, read with me here. I have to manually translate this book, and I'm pretty sure there's a full translated version somewhere, but I'd rather read the raw document, because sometimes when people rewrite things, they leave out what they want. So this book I found, and one of the sections here is about religion and magic. And I wanted to show y'all something that I saw. So right here it says, Introduction, for previously documented by Protestant missionaries, Dr. Knapp, Dr. Finch. Okay, so let's read this part. I wanted to show y'all this part. Okay, gotta give it a second. Hold up. All right, right here. It is deeply regrettable that the missionaries of the American Board of Commissioners for Foreign Missions, who have been working on the Marshall Islands for more than 50 years, have not conducted any research into the religious beliefs and customs of the islanders. And then right here, this is what really blew my wig back, because it's like, this is just confirmation. They seek to eradicate them from the ground up and to eradicate every trace of them. They studiously avoid even mentioning the former customs, instead building on them and converting the natives to Christianity through instruction. Right? And this book was written in 1914. So just from that sentence itself, there was people that came to Mado and they were fascinated with us. Hence all these books and the museums over there in that one country in Germany. But it was the missionaries that made it a point to strip us from our roots from the ground up. So the way they did that was bring Christianity and the Bible to us, and look at us now.